Hey everyone, Amy here. I am so excited to share this piece with you. The canvas that I'm painting on today is a 12 by 36 inch canvas, deep edge. I am doing an ocean ghost swipe, and wow, this piece turned out way better than I actually expected. I started off with a very pale gray base. As for the colors that I use in the swipe, I will have them listed down below because there are so many different shades of blue that I used. I also used TLP's Macaw. It just added a really cool color shift over top. I really hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I have been super crazy with, oh my goodness, so many things going on lately. My daughter, Izzy, I have a couple of videos in the past where her and I have painted together. She just moved out and has gone off to university for her first year. She got into a really prestigious university out here in Ontario, Canada. She got into Waterloo University and actually got into 2 programs, which it's hard to get into one program. So I'm just so very proud of her. She has huge aspirations of becoming a doctor, a surgeon specifically. And yeah, I've been busy with getting her off to that. I'm also taking a really awesome art course. I have also been working on my own personal business, Essential Body Mind, where I do body wisdom coaching. And yeah, life has just been a little bit crazy around here. I've been doing lots of painting. It's just that my editing has kind of fallen short lately. But this piece is so beautiful. I wanted to get this up for you guys. And like I said, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Okay, I will throw on some music and let you enjoy this video. Thanks everyone. I will see you at the close-up at the end. here it is, all finished. I love the color combination. Oh, I love the turquoise with the dark blues and the light blues. And of course, that gold shimmer is just so beautiful. The TLP macaw that I used in a lot of the sections on the very top just adds this iridescent color shift. It's an indigo color shift. I think it's an indigo gold color shift, which is absolutely perfect for this piece. And of course, it's Australian floetrol that I use to swipe. The effects of that Australian floetrol is just absolutely beautiful. So please let me know what you think down in the comments of this piece. I do have this one varnished. It's for sale. I don't have it up on my website yet, but if you are interested, please send me an email at amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com. It's absolutely beautiful. Every time I come up into my art studio, I have it hanging on the wall, and I just stop and have a little look at it and think, oh my goodness, I can't believe that I created this piece. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up and the notification bell, and leave me a comment down below. Take care, everyone. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.